Hey guys, welcome back to Technique Tuesday. This is Ballroom Feed. I'm Chris and this is Lindsay, and we're going to answer a question on different endings and offset breaks or outside partner breaks in Rumba specifically. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to show you that pattern. All right, so we're going to do this here with the box. A little side basic. I slide down, we do these rock steps. I go forward every time and she goes backwards. So we're calling these offset breaks. They're also outside partner breaks, and there are many different ways to get out of this position here, right? So one way we do traditionally is just like an underarm turn, which is not the most comfortable way to get out of it, but easy for somebody who's very comfortable, you know? What we like to do now is we like to do a box ending out of this. So let's say we stay closed in this example, where I go outside partner here, I go outside partner here, and here what we find is if we just go backwards, I can go to the second half of a box and really easily get out of that position. I can still do it from a double hand hold. So the question is, what's the most comfortable exit for these offset breaks? And we think it's this half a box exit because it's so easy for me to lead her in the direction I want to go in and to close it back to a box without the unnecessary rotations of like an underarm turn.
And because so many patterns do end with an underarm turn, it's a nice alternate ending that you can use instead of an underarm turn. Sometimes, I mean, as a follower, we love to turn, we all know that, but it's nice to switch it up, and it's like, I always like to have options as a leader as well. So having different options that you may choose, you could do an underarm turn, you could do the box ending. We just wanted to give you another way you could do it.
One really cool combo here that we like to use this pattern for, because the offset breaks isn't a ridiculously exciting pattern. But let's say we do an open break and underarm turn. I choose to use offset breaks as my combo pattern here, right? And then I can go right back to a box again, and I found a unique way to get back to a box step without having to do a first, second, or fifth position break. Traditionally, I can then combo with offset breaks and get right back to a box, and it's kind of a cool way to do that.
And this is a more unique pattern that you could do this for. Other ones are gonna be more common for like first, second, or fifth position break ending. So this one works for this pattern.
Cool.
Okay, check out our website, ballroomfeed.com, if you haven't yet. We have tons more content up there. Subscribe here, comment down below what you wanna see next, and we'll see you very soon.
Bye guys.
Bye.